How to clean silver jewelry. There are many ways to restore your silver jewelry's shine at home. You can scrub your jewelry with a soft toothbrush in warm water with mild dish soap. Or, try using plain toothpaste to gently scrub silver jewelry. To clean jewelry with baking soda, mix 1 part water with 3 parts baking soda. Let this paste sit on your silver for a few minutes before rinsing it off. To clean silver jewelry with vinegar and baking soda, mix 1/4 cup of distilled white vinegar, a tablespoon of baking soda and 2 cups of water. Leave the jewelry in this solution for 2 to 3 hours, then rinse it under cold water. You can also mix a teaspoon of olive oil with a 1/2 cup lemon juice. Dip a clean cloth into the solution and gently rub the silver. To clean silver with aluminum foil and baking soda, line a bowl in aluminum foil with the shiny side up, then spread your jewelry in it. Sprinkle baking soda over the jewelry, then submerge the jewelry in boiling water. Contact the Vault Jewelry and Loan to buy, sell or pawn silver jewelry.